Now that we have done all the prep, we cleaned it, we washed it, we decontaminated it, and we polished it, now we're gonna do, install our ceramic coating. This locks in all the hard work that we did throughout the whole day. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my pad and simply apply it. I'm gonna work in small sections before it flashes and I have to remove the coating. So I'll start with this piece first. Now that I applied it, I'm gonna wait a couple moments for it to flash. The flash will evaporate some of the solvents in the ceramic coating, and then I'm gonna level it, making it look perfect. Once I coat this whole vehicle here, it's going to be protected up to 3 to 5 years depending on how the customer maintains the vehicle. This is just one section. I'm going to go ahead and take care of the rest.